Hey everyone, welcome back to Desire. Today, we're diving into the magical world of AI. Have you ever wondered how cool it would be to compose your own music and produce a professional music video without any prior musical knowledge? Well, today we're doing a deep dive into Musicful AI, a game-changing platform that handles everything from writing lyrics to generating high-quality visuals. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't joined our family yet, subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on the latest in tech. Let's get started. This is the homepage of the website you're looking at right now. It shows that you can create any song and any music video you can imagine, from pop to rap, dance, and many other genres. Let's listen to a few examples together here.
Hello, my friends!
They sound amazing and high quality. You can use this site to create diverse music and songs with any mood or vibe you want. To get started, click Sign Up in the top right corner. Here, you can log in using your Google account, Apple ID, or your personal email. As always, I'll go ahead and sign in with my Google account. Once you're in, click on the Make Music for Free option. This opens up a page with a very simple and user-friendly interface. Right when you enter, you get 60 credits, which allows you to create 6 songs. This lets you experiment with music production to see if it really works for you or not. In the Lyrics tab, you can specify your music style at the top. I can honestly say that among all the music-making platforms, this is one of the most professional ones because it separates every element individually. At the bottom of the box, they've listed some frequently used items, but by clicking More, you can select the genre, mood, voice, instrument, and style. The interesting part is that the genre section itself is made up of many different parts like pop, rap, hip-hop, and tons of different styles. You can search through them one by one and choose exactly what you're looking for. Your choices are perfectly categorized here, which is truly incredible for a beginner. For instance, I'll choose these styles: emotional, electric, bass, 1960s, classic, dark, powerful, and I'll also type a retro style for it. In the lyrics section, you can type your desired song text, write it yourself, or get it from other AI tools. If you don't want to do any of that, you can use the platform's own lyric generator. To do this, click on Write Lyrics for Me. Once clicked, a box opens up where you can simply write what you want. For example, I'll write 3 a.m. night drive. Then, I'll click Write Lyrics again. It starts writing automatically and creates the song lyrics for me. Now that it has generated the lyrics, you can read through and change or edit any part you don't like. In the Gender section, I want my singer to be male, so I'll select that. To choose a specific vibe, you need a pro account. My song title is the same as what I wrote before, 3 a.m. night drive. Finally, I'll hit Create Song and wait for the music to be generated. This takes less than a minute. Let's wait together for it to finish. It's done. Let's listen to them.
Dashboard glow on your tired face. Last taste. Drive, windows down on a cold sky. Every mile we're shedding old lives. Old lives. Let the white lines blur our bad times. If the sunrise never rise, we'll just keep on this 3 a.m. night drive.
They are truly magnificent. To download the songs, we use this option. You can also leave feedback, comments, or share the music on social media. By clicking these 3 dots, you can access a whole range of tools like creating covers, making a music video, editing, adding to a playlist, and even viewing the music license. Now, I'll move on to the next option, the Description tab. Here, you just need to write your request and directly tell the AI what you want, and the platform's AI will build the music exactly according to your wishes. Or, by clicking Get Inspired, it can give you random short prompts. I'll paste my text here and click Create Song so my music is built as requested. This time, you can choose your music model from this section. I'll pick MF version 2.0, which is newer and more powerful than version 1. After selecting the model, I'll hit Create Song and wait for the tracks to be ready. It's done. Let's listen.
Call, but I'm already there. You ghost again, talking in static like it's you. Answering back in my head, I keep on calling. I call back, ring once, I fall back. You don't ever say where you've been. You just laugh and change the subject again. But I keep a place.
These two were excellent in my opinion, both very lovely songs. You can click the Publish button to share it on this platform, which acts like a music streaming service. If your shared track gets a good reception and wins among other songs, you could win $1,000. I highly suggest you try it and participate in their challenge. Again, from this section, we can download our video and save it to our system. You can download it in MP3, WAV, MIDI formats, or as a music video. In the Audio tab, you can also upload a song as a reference or record a sound and send it, and it will create music similar to your reference. I'll skip this part and leave it for you to explore. Now, let's move to the most important part of this tutorial, making a music video. From the left menu, click on the AI Music Video option, which has recently been added to this platform. Let's test it together. After entering this page, in the Select Song section, you can choose one of the songs you've made. I'll pick one as an example. In the Video Type section, you have three options: singing, the singer is visible; narrative, story-based; or abstract, conceptual. I'll choose the singing option. In the Main Character section, you have two characters to choose from, or you can upload your own image. I'll select the male character here since my singer was male. In the Video Concept section, you can write your desired concept, or if you have no idea, click on Generate AI Concept. This box opens up, and I'll type Midnight for it. I'll hit Generate and wait for it to write the concept. After a while, it wrote the concept for us. We can read it and edit any part we want. In the Video Duration section, you can select the part you want to turn into a music video. Listen to the music and select whichever part you find most pleasing, or you can even select the whole video. Note that creating a music video requires a lot of credits and a subscription. After setting the duration, I'll go to Video Settings. I'll leave the size at 16:9, which is perfect for desktop and YouTube, and set the quality to 1080p. You can see how it's being built step by step by clicking Storyboard, or just hit Create Music Video to let it start the process. I'll click Create Music Video now. Let's wait together for it to finish. It's done. Let's watch it.
This is my midnight dial tone. Bringing you ghost again. Talking in static like it's you. Answering back in my head. I keep on calling to a number that burned out long ago. Still I chase that echo. My midnight dial tone.
I have to say, it was truly incredible. The lip syncing was great, and among the AI music videos I've tested, this one was truly astonishing. Now, I'll try another song. I'll pick one from my created tracks. Again, I'll generate the concept using the site's AI and set the video type to abstract this time. Let's see how it turns out. For the concept, I'll write neon night and hit generate. Again, I'll adjust the video duration to pick a specific part of my song. There's something interesting here. I want the time to be up to 1 minute this time to see how it performs. Now I'll hit create music video and wait. The process is starting. Let's wait to see the result together. The music video is ready. Let's check it out.
You don't ever say where you've been. You just laugh and change the subject again. But I keep a place saved on my bed, right next to the secrets that you left unread. You're my midnight callback. Ring once, I fall back.
It was magnificent and excellent. It beautifully executed the neon night concept I asked for and made the video exactly how I wanted. It might not be exactly what you imagine it should be, but among AI platforms, its work is truly good, and I really like it. Now, from this section, you can copy the invite link and send it to friends, family, or anyone you want. If that person signs up and makes 2 songs, both of you will receive 250 credits. You can receive up to 2,500 credits the more people you invite. I suggest you use this method to get more credits. Finally, you can see the pricing here. It has basic, standard, and pro versions. You can share your music on YouTube even with the standard version. There's no absolute need to buy a business subscription. One more cool thing I have to mention is that Musicful isn't just limited to your desktop. They have a dedicated mobile app that you can easily download from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. The best part? The interface and the workflow are exactly the same as the web version we just went through. This means you can create music on the go, anytime and anywhere, right from your phone. Thank you so much for sticking around with me and the Desire channel until the end. I really hope this tutorial helps you out and inspires you to create some epic music and videos. Don't forget, I've left the link to the site for you to go and unleash your creativity. If you enjoyed this video, show some love with a like and a comment, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on the fascinating world of AI. Until next time, stay creative and I'll see you in the next one.